peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little unboxing from FGNormal for you. So I've picked up a couple of diamond paintings from there that looked to be a really good size for a really good price. So hopefully they'll turn out as nice as they looked in the pictures, but let's waste no time. Let's get straight in and have a look at them. Firstly, I would like to say they did come in this bubble mailer. They were not squished or folded or in any way damaged, as I have had happen with other budget company diamond paintings before when I've ordered larger sizes. So I'm really impressed with that. Okay, let's get them both out. We'll start with this one. So, they're both of a set, I guess. I think there were 4 that were very similar. Noisy. Let's have a look at yours. So this. Oh. Okay, so we've got round drills, we've got ABs, and we've got individual baggies. I'm pretty happy so far. We'll look at those in more detail in a minute. We've got a slightly more upgraded kit than your standard boat wax pen. So we've got the slightly larger style and size of boat, sort of a Mossford dupe, if you like, with a nice pouring spout. We've got a pretty chunky bit of dark red wax there, or is that, oh no, 2 bits stuck together, but it's a very dense wax. It's not sort of see-through at all. We've got a clear pen with squishy and 4-placer and single placer. We've got some metal tweezers. We've got that's a 10-placer, I think. And, oh, there to go on the end of the tweezers. There we go. So, nice little kit. As always, you know, everything you need and a little bit extra, which is nice. So let's have a look at this painting. So, let's see if I can find a way to show it to you without there being a load of glare all over it. That might be it. Let's just move you out a little. Oh, excuse my messy desk if I move you out a bit. Okay, so we've got this lovely moon at the top, nice lots of green mottled background, and then we're coming down, we've got flowers and a nice cup of tea. So I thought this was really lovely. It is 35 colours, as I said, in round, and it's listed as a 50 by 40. So let's have a check, see how much we're losing to this border. All right, that's 40 centimetres. I'm impressed so far. And yeah, that's a 50 by 40, true to size. I'm well impressed, because you know it's fairly standard practice now with the more budget canvases that you will lose a little bit with these sidebars, but no, lovely. The only thing I will point out, because it bothers some people, is that the canvas is printed horizontally, I guess because of the way it goes through the machine. So if you're looking at, let me bring you down. So here you can see we've got R, N and D here. So these are going to be facing the wrong way if you've got the picture of the canvas the right way up. It doesn't bother me because I work every way up when I'm doing a canvas anyway. But yeah, and also while we're down here, you can just see the clarity of those symbols. We have got a few odd ones, and we do have guide circles, which I know will put a few people off, particularly in these lighter areas, but we'll see how it comes out. That is my job really here, is to experiment with these things, so that I can feed back to you all. So yeah, but the symbols look clear enough. But yeah, you have got those guide circles, which can make it look a little bit more confusing when you start out. The information on the side is fairly clear. We've got DMC as well listed. And let's see what we've got in terms of the ABs then. I'm just going to flip this over. So obviously I'm expecting lots of earthy tones. We've got a big bag of this green. That's obviously going to be the main background colour. All right, where are our ABs? So we've got, this is AB 745. That is a kind of a creamy AB. Very pretty. We've got, no. Where are they? There's one. So we've got this kind of a toffee colour. Very nice. I saw a black in there. Yeah, so that's a 310 AB and a rogue white AB in there. But yeah, that's going to look very pretty. Is that it? Is it just the 3? Yes, I think so. Yeah, so we've got 3 ABs in there, which is very nice. And, you know, a nice surprise for what is, you know, ostensibly a budget style canvas. Hey peeps, Editing Ari here, just popping in to say I went back and checked my order, and in fact you can choose whether you want this canvas in round or in rounds with ABs, so I must have chosen that at the time. It adds a couple of pounds onto the price, but I think it's probably worth it. The price for this one is, I paid £8.79 because it was on a little offer, but the listed price is £10.99, and I think that's great. Really good if you're looking for something budget. You know, we don't all have all the money in the world to spend, and if you're looking at trying something a little bit bigger, maybe it's the first time you've tried a bigger canvas, then this might be a good option. As I say, I will let you know once I've worked on it how it all actually works up. So that's the first one, and then you'll see what I mean when I show you the other one. You'll see what I mean about them being sort of a set. Okay, so this is the other one. So you can already see it's got a very similar background, and it's the same size. Ooh. Same kit. We've got, again, I can see some ABs in there, and we've got pre-bagged drills. And here is our image. It's a little bit harder to see this one, but it is a stack of books. We've got a butterfly at the top, and then we've got a stack of books with flowers all around. So this one is harder to see from the image, but I think some of that might just be the amount of guide circles and different symbols and things. I think once we start putting drills down, it might be okay. Size wise, I'm going to assume it is still true to size, but we'll do a little check. Yep, that's 40, which means the other side is going to be 50. We've got 35 colours again, and we'll see how many ABs we get in this one. I will pop pictures up of what the original artwork looked like. Again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh goodness, 5 ABs in this one. Okay, all right, they're giving. So we've got this dusty mauve colour. 315. We've got 350, which is this sort of coral colour. We've got a 310, big bag of that. We've got this sort of red, dark red colour, that is 498, and we've got this very pale dusty pink, 152. So yeah, I definitely didn't see any other ABs in the other one, so yeah, I guess it just depends on the image as to what they pick. Have a little look, see where some of these ABs go in this one. So the black is the letter E. So, okay, so it just, anywhere you can see a lowercase letter E, so it seems to be just the shading. There's a lot of it. Sorry. A lot of it in that butterfly. And in the darker shaded areas behind these flowers at the bottom. So that's where the black's going. Which is the omega symbol for this coral red colour. So that's going to go in these flowers, this central flower, and in all the red flowers have got a little bit, and the butterfly's got a little bit. The triangle symbol. So again, wherever you can see images of this book, in this flower, in this flower, we've got that. Number 4, again, this is the letter A. So this is the darker areas of the pink flowers, the darker areas of that top pink book, a little bit scattered around. And then finally this dark red. Number 8 is the letter C. Again, we're back to in the butterfly, in the red book, and in the red flower, amongst a few other places. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a slightly more complex image. I knew that I was chancing it a little bit with this one. I thought that the moon with the teacup read slightly clearer, or would read slightly clearer, regardless of, you know, that it's machine rendered. But I'm pleased with it. This was the same price, so both these were the same price. And I'll pop a little picture in here of the other 2 canvases that were sort of on the same listing, so you can pop and have a look at them as well. So yeah, I am very pleased. Yeah, so we've got books and coffee, or books and tea, depending on how you want to see it. Yeah, I am pleased with those. Have you purchased from FGNormal before? Do let me know if you have. Let me know what you thought of their quality. Yeah, pleased with these. Get yourself over to FGNormal, check them out, see what they've got on offer. Clearly, I think they've got some nice quality, and you know, in terms of size, these are true to size. You've got pre-bagged drills, that slightly upgraded kit, and you know, at full price, £10.99 a canvas, I would happily have paid that. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here. Thank you to everybody that's tuned in today. Always helpful if you can leave a like, share with a friend, leave a comment down below. You can always pop on over to Facebook, find us at The Crafty Coven, and share what crafty things you're up to with us over there. Massive, massive thanks and love to those of you that support the channel over on Patreon, and the channel members as well. You mean the absolute world, and you make this worth doing. Thank you so, so much. And until next time, stay crafty.